Hello, this is Tina with Serenity Knits, and today we're going to be doing a broken rib stitch. We're going to start with the cast on already on, because depending on your project, the cast on will be different, depending on if it's a hat or a scarf. So after you've cast on, whichever cast on way you would like to do, what we're going to do is the first row is all knit stitching. Would you take the yarn around and bring the bottom stitch over, all the way around, and that is your entire row 1 is all knit stitches. So bring the yarn over, pull the bottom yarn over the top, whoop, just like that, until you get all the way around. Your entire first row. And you'll notice I hold my loom up. A lot of people have it flat on the table, but I like to hold mine at an angle. It's just a personal preference. You can do it however is comfortable for you. And now we're on our last peg. Knit that one. And then we'll bring the stitches down to the bottom like that, all the way around. And that is your row 1, all knit stitchings. Second row, your first stitch is a knit. Your second stitch is a purl, which you take your yarn under, you put your hook, let me show you a little bit easier. Take that hook down behind that strand, put your yarn under, and then just flick it up, pull that yarn up, and then you're going to take that loop, pinch it, pull the entire stitch off the peg completely, and then you're going to put that loop back onto the stitch, just like that, and then you just tug on it a little bit to tighten it up. Third stitch is a knit, and we're continuing that pattern. Odd number pegs are knit, even number pegs are purl. And you'll take it all the way around, knit and purl. And your entire second row is nothing but alternating these knits and purls all the way around. You know, a broken rib isn't too much fun when you fall off a ladder, but it makes a really nice pattern when you're knitting. And we're going to do that all down that row. And then when you get to the end, you're just going to repeat that all the way around. First row is knit. Second row is alternating knit 1, purl 1. Third row is a knit. Fourth row is a knit 1, purl 1. And so forth and so on, all the way around. And then when you get to the bottom, you'll just continue to go around and around. And you see the broken rib stitch and how it does. It's a very pretty stitch. It's an easy stitch to do. It's both a masculine and a feminine stitch. You can see that the pattern is coming up on that. And then when you get the length of whatever your project is doing, if you're doing a scarf or a hat, then you'll just bind off and complete your project. But that is how you do a broken rib stitch. First row of knit, second row knit 1, purl 1, third row knit, fourth row knit 1, purl 1, and then just keep that pattern going, repeating as needed until you get to the end. And that is the broken rib. Thank you.